How to connect to Wi-Fi on your laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can connect to Wi-Fi on your laptop. So as you can see, I'm currently not connected to internet on my laptop. So if you want to connect to Wi-Fi or internet, what you'll have to do is simply tap on this option right over here. And then a box will appear where you'll have to simply tap on this Wi-Fi option over here. Now make sure that Wi-Fi is turned on. Now once it's turned on, it'll show the list of all of the different Wi-Fi available. So simply click on the one which you'd like to connect, and then if you want, you can tap on the option connect automatically, so that whenever you are in this range and the Wi-Fi is available, it'll connect automatically. So simply tap on the option connect automatically and then tap on the option connect. Now once you've done that, it'll ask you to enter the network security key, which is the password of your Wi-Fi network. So let me simply enter that over here. Now once you've entered the key or the password, tap on the option next, and then it'll simply check for network requirements, and if everything is okay, it'll simply connect to that Wi-Fi. So that is basically how you connect to a Wi-Fi on your laptop. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.